Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel, and from today, starting with this video, I am going to make a lookup series in my channel, and also check the description box after the video ends. There you will find the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video. So friends, today we are going to learn about the Vlookup formula, and basically the Vlookup function performs a vertical lookup by searching for a value in the first column of a table and returning the value in the same row in the index number position. So now we will check this with a practical sheet. Watch this video till the end. This is your host Pritham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back friends. So basically the VLOOKUP function is a built-in function in Microsoft Excel that is categorized as a lookup reference function. It can be used as a worksheet function in Excel. As a worksheet function, the VLOOKUP function can be entered as part of a formula in a cell of a worksheet. The VLOOKUP function is actually quite easy to use once you understand how it works. So the basic part of the formula will be after when you type the formula in the cell, it will look like just this one you can see on your screen, VLOOKUP, right? Then you will have the hint in Microsoft Excel, and that is after the VLOOKUP you have to enter the VLOOKUP value, and that one will be like this. You can notice which had been provided in E6 cell, right? After that you have to select the table array here, and what will be your table array? It's nothing but the entire cell that have a value in your cell, right? After that you have to select the column index number, and which one you will select? You have to type the column number which you want to look up the value, and in my case the lookup value will be C. That means we have to type 3 as our column index number, and after that we have to select the range lookup. So let's check it now with a practical sheet. So here it is, we have come to the Microsoft Excel here. So let's check the formula by typing equals to, then you have to use the VLOOKUP formula here. Then it is asking for lookup value, and the lookup value will be, in my case, in the E6 cell. You can type it manually or just select with your cursor, then put a comma, then you have to select the table array. As previously discussed, you have to select the whole table array which contains the value, then put a comma here, then it is asking for column index number. So friends, note carefully, if this one is your whole table, then you have to type the column index number according to your table. That means, look at this Excel sheet, this table is going to be column number 3, but if you only select or see the table only in this range, you have to type number 2 as your value in which the lookup value will be searched for. It will be the column number 2, right friends? Please note this carefully, otherwise you will get error, right? Then put a comma here, then it is asking for approximate match or exact match. We are going to type it as exact match and it will be false, so we have to type 0 here, right? Then put the bracket close and simply hit the enter button. Look at here, as we did not put anything in this cell, it is showing for an error, and if we type something which includes in this table, it will show you the accurate result. And friends, this is not case sensitive. If you type it in capital letter, it will show you the accurate result, and if you type another, it will show you the result accordingly. So let's check how this formula actually works. This is a basic example of VLOOKUP in exact match mode. The lookup value is E6 in the table range from B4 to C9. The column number is 2 and the last argument false forces VLOOKUP to do an exact match. If VLOOKUP finds a matching value, the associated cost will be retrieved from the second column, that is column number C. If no match is found, VLOOKUP will return as NA function. That was like this, right? Now let me show you a trick. Friends, suppose you have apple here and you typed APPLE and accidentally have put an space here. It will show you an error. To get an error-free result, you can use the data validation. To use the data validation, you have to go to the data tab here, then you have to click on data validation, then again data validation, then in this option you have to select allow as a list, then you have to select the source. The source will be this one, right? In your case the source can be anything else. Now you do not need to type anything from this cell. You have to just click on this arrow here, you will get all. And if you select jackfruit, it will show you as 10. If you select anything else, it will show you as well as the result. So that's all for today, friends. Hopefully you have liked this video and learned something new about VLOOKUP formula. I will come back soon with another video of VLOOKUP formula. Share this video with your friends, share your opinion as well as your queries in the comment section. Keep learning, keep supporting this channel and stay tuned.